Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your Earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. And now do not close the case, please. Right here we have connectional button. Inside the charging case you need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed red 3 times rapidly. So let's make it. I'm just pressing hold on it. Firstly it's enter to pairing mode, and then it's something like 10 seconds to perform it. Here we go. We have it. Firstly we need to remove these earbuds after factory reset. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so now we can see it at the device list and just tap on it. If you have Android, also click pair after you tap on it. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!